everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City right at the Borgata Hotel and Casino. I'm going to take a look around this place. Lots of changes this past year. Last time I was here they gave me a little problem recording. Hopefully I won't run into that this year, but come along with me. Let's see what's changed here at the Borgata in Atlantic City. Today I'm taking you guys on a full tour of one of what I think many of you feel is your favorite place to stay, play, and just unwind in Atlantic City, the Borgata Hotel, Casino, and Spa. If you've been to Atlantic City, you know that the Borgata isn't just another casino. This place sort of changed the game when it opened. It brought that Vegas-style luxury to the Jersey Shore, and is still setting the standard, especially now with some renovations that have been done recently. So as soon as you walk in, you can tell this place is something special. The marble floors, the warm golden lighting, the massive floral arrangements, it just screams upscale. It's got that signature Borgata scent too, you know what I mean? Every great resort has that subtle fragrance that immediately makes you feel like you're somewhere nice. The front desk is sleek and the staff is always on point, and check-in is usually smooth, especially if you come early or midweek. Personally, I usually book online and use my phone to check in, and my phone also acts as the room key so I don't even have to go to the front desk. Just off the lobby, there's an inviting energy. You can hear the faint sounds of slot machines, smell the coffee from the cafe, and see people rolling their luggage ready for a good time. Now, the last time I was here, like over a year ago, I know there were many renovations that were being planned, a lot of new places, but not really new. It's the same places, just upgraded or renovated. And well, during the course of my last time here and now, all those renovations have been completed, and that's what I want to show you today. This is the Borgata Baking Company. It has a broad assortment of homemade delectables right here. You can indulge yourself with breakfast classics, savory sandwiches, or the perfect sweet treat. And one of the great things about this place is it's right by the parking garage, so you can grab something for that ride home. Or there's actually a Starbucks right next door, go figure. But Starbucks, of course, focuses on coffee. This place has coffee, but I think it focuses a little bit more on the food. This area here is always seasonally decorated. Obviously, I'm here during the autumn, and kind of reminds me of a scaled-down Bellagio conservatory. Next time I book a room here, it'll be for the Christmas videos or the holiday videos that are coming up here on the channel. I can't wait, and it's just a couple weeks away. I don't know where time is flying to. As many of you know, each year I do a contest, the best decorated hotel and casino and other businesses around town, and I let you guys vote. I'm gonna do the same thing this year. Obviously you guys really like it and I really enjoy making those videos, but a couple subtle changes, nothing drastic, but just things that make a little more common sense for the videos this year. So make sure you're subscribed if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Share it on your social media. That'll get the video more views and the channel new subscribers. And of course, if you'd like to help support the Nu Yawk channel, then why not become a member? It's only $2.99 a month. You get some really cool perks, including exclusive videos that only members can watch. And again, only $2.99, and it does help support the channel. Thanks so much for your support, guys. By the way, lots of people signed up for the membership, and I really do appreciate that, and I want to do something special for you members during the holiday season. I have something in mind. I don't want to discuss it right now, but it's going to be some exclusive content during the holiday season. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Kind of like behind-the-scenes stuff. I'll leave a link to become a Nu Yawk member right here in the upper right-hand corner of the screen if you'd like to do so right now. There are several stores in this area. Again, this is the area where the parking garage is, and there's also stores over in the MGM Tower. Right now we're in the Borgata Tower. I'll show you the stores in both towers as we go along. This is the old Homestead Steakhouse. Borgata's got two steakhouses. This one's a New York City institution, one of the country's oldest steakhouses. It's been around since 1868 in the Big Apple. Izakaya, a Japanese restaurant, was taken out about a year ago, and Noodles of the World was moved there temporarily. Now Noodles has a new home. I'm going to show it to you in a moment. The Long Bar is also in this area. I'm not really sure what's going to happen to that empty spot now that Noodles of the World has moved out of their temporary location. I know Borgata sent me an email saying that they have some still undone business as far as renovations and something about unwrapping stuff around the holiday season, so we'll see what's going on. I know there's plans to build a Moondeck for the holiday season. It's going to be something special. I'll discuss it later in the video, but it's going to be where the outdoor pool is. To the dismay of many, the Gypsy Bar is now gone. It's become the casino's baccarat area, and also Noodles of the World has now moved to this location, simply known as Noodles. This is the Borgata Buffet. Nothing's changed here, but it's one of only 2 buffets here in Atlantic City. I just did a video there last week on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. Make sure you check that video out. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out my newest channel, Jersey Shore Jeff. It's all about the Jersey Shore from Sandy Hook down to Cape May. I had mentioned earlier in the video the last time I was here I was given a little bit of a hassle with the recording, so I had to stop recording last time I was here. This time I'm using my phone, so if the video's a little wonky, and I can see that it is during the editing process, that's the reason why. This is Angeline by Michael Symon. It's James Beard, a winning chef Michael Symon's ode to classic Italian food. Simple, bold, fresh, and served with prideful attention to detail. And this is B Prime, the second steakhouse here at the Borgata, where guests can indulge in a first-class culinary experience in an energetic dinner party atmosphere. Before we continue with the video, I want to show you guys the pools here at the Borgata and the MGM Tower. They were closed while I was here, so I'm going to show you clips from previous videos just to show you what they look like during the season. This is Borgata's main outdoor pool and beer garden. While the indoor pools in the Borgata and MGM Towers are open all year round, the outdoor pools are closed for the season. However, the exception is the outdoor pool over by the MGM Tower. Something special is going on there this winter, and I'm going to go into that later in the video. In this area is the BetMGM Sportsbook, Racebook, as well as the poker room area. The poker area has been completely redone, and right now they're holding the Borgata Fall Poker Open. Let's see what's going on at the food hall downstairs. Hold on tight. Down here you'll find Lavazza Coffee Bar, the Grab and Go Market, Chop and Toss, Burgers and Fries, Breakfast Time, Asian Fusion, Pizzata Pizza and Pasta, Philly Steak and Stubbs, Haagen-Dazs, the Green Bar, and the Daiquiri Bar. When I stay at the Borgata, after a long day of recording, I like to come down here and bring something up to the room. And I've been to, let's see, the Philly steak place. That was pretty good. And pizzata is always good no matter what casino you're going to. And if I'm not that hungry, I'll come down here for a nice hot tea and salad. Down here is the wine bar and Italian kitchen as well. They bring Italian bites and beverages to the Food Hall Eatery. They have a nice selection of vintage wines and craft beers, plus a variety of tapas and tasting plates. This is the American Bar and Grill. The contemporary grill concept offers a sophisticated yet casual dining experience in a warm and welcoming environment. They have great wood-fired pizza here. I know I did a video a while back ago on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. I ordered a margarita pie with a nice glass of red wine. They also have wild mushroom pies, spicy chicken, spicy Italian sausage, and a couple others. Pizza's really good here, and again, it's a casual atmosphere. We'll head over to the MGM Tower now, which is just on the opposite side of the casino, and they have some shopping here and pools as well, so let's check that out. By the way, if you're interested in seeing the rooms here at the Borgata Tower as well as the MGM Tower, those videos are available on the Nu Yawk channel. Every holiday season for my holiday videos, I always complain that the casinos start too late with their decorations and then I have to rush everything. And well, this year it seems like they started extremely early. Borgata's not the only one. Several casinos have already started decorating. This is the lobby of the MGM Tower, and here's a little tip for you guys, well at least it works for me, is if there's a long line at the Borgata reception area or front desk, just come over here and check in, even if you're staying at the Borgata Tower, and vice versa. I know I've checked into the MGM Tower using the Borgata reception area many times. Let's take a look at the MGM Tower pools, and again, this is clips from previous videos when the pools were open. The MGM Tower has both indoor and outdoor pool areas, and just like the Borgata, you can switch pools if you want. If you're staying in the Borgata Tower, you can swim here in the MGM Tower pools as well, and vice versa. I really love this indoor MGM Tower pool. And now we'll head to the outdoor pool area here at the MGM Tower. Something new this winter season, starting November 28th and hopefully following seasons, they're putting something out here called the Moondeck. This area will transform into a chic winter retreat featuring cozy, heated igloos where guests can relax and enjoy the season in style. Each of the 5 luxurious chalets accommodating up to 6 guests will be adorned with sumptuous blankets, candles, jewel-toned couches and ottomans, and a cozy faux fireplace heater, creating an idyllic evening retreat. Moondeck Chalet guests will enjoy a specialty menu featuring charcuterie boards, indulgent hummus boards, the decadent dessert board, and festive cocktails including the Polar Espresso Martini. Moondeck guests can also indulge in Moondeck Hot Cocoa, a build-your-own experience with homemade cocoa, whipped cream, and toppings like graham crackers, caramel, and chocolate, paired with a choice spirit from Jameson to Patron. Reservations are going to require a $300 minimum food and beverage spend and have a 1 hour and 45-minute time limit. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to see what I can do to bring this experience to you during the holiday season. Don't forget, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And as with other changes that I mentioned during this video, there's a brand new B-Bar. It's been here for a long time, but it's completely redone.